Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can overlap images in Canva, so let's get right into it. Firstly, of course, you do need a couple of images. I'll add these two, just an example, and as you can see, they are overlapping already. However, this one is overlapping over this one. If you want to change that and you want to switch it around, what you can do is right-click on either one of them, or for example, if you right-click on the one in the background, you go into Layer and push it all the way into the foreground. You can also do a keyboard shortcut, Control Alt and left square bracket, and it'll look something like this. Now, if you want it to overlap and you want it to sort of mix together, you just click on the picture in the foreground and click on this here option. This icon is for opacity, and then you can set the opacity to whatever you want. Now, as you can see, the entire picture's opacity will change, so this one will be a bit lighter and a bit more transparent than this one, and that is pretty much what it looks like. However, if I push this one to the foreground, as you can see, it overlaps and covers with this one, and those are pretty much the options you have for overlapping. If you want to change it differently, you can play around with frames and try to make them overlap in a different manner. However, that is pretty much how you make the pictures overlap. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.